Let's chunk an engine and transmission into this old truck. I will be your host, the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee, without a doubt. It's a piece of inner tube, and the goal is to try not to scratch it up too bad. Our cap needs some serious help. It's pretty crappy, doesn't fit good. I don't want to get any dust in the engine, so we'll put the oil filter on. It'd be nice to flip the engine upside down on the stand, fill it with oil, this filter, and spin it back around, but I don't think it'll hold it anyways. There's a hole there, so we're not going to worry with that. We've got a cap here to install for the camshaft. That's it. This was sticking out like that before, and it's because there's an oil galley in there that oil needs to run through. It's a weird, junky setup. I don't want to waste a piece of bread. This is a brass pilot bushing, so it should just break out of there. Easy enough, and I'll eat that piece of bread. Here's a new one. It's bottomed out right where it's supposed to be. All painted up, so hopefully it won't rust like it was before. Remember when we took the plate cover off? And speaking of plate cover, here it is. Let's see, but how does it go? I don't remember. Thinking, I have no clue. I go something like this. I know I said I wasn't going to use these again, but I just can't help myself. They were on there before, so I'm going to put them back. That being said, a little blue Loctite won't hurt anything, just in case. And this is why I had to wait to paint this outside part. All cleaned up, painted, and ready to go. Clear to see the starter ring gear has seen better days. Well, this might be one piece, which I am not used to seeing. Wow. Or, duh, whoops. Holy crap, guys. Wasn't that silly? Sorry about that. I can assure you it'll go on much easier than it came off. Taking a risk on this, I'm resurfacing it just so that it can seat with the new clutch, but that doesn't mean it's flat. If I had a straight edge, I'd check it, but I'll know when I go to shift gears. Now, let's see how it goes on. And done. I take for granted everybody knows what the heck is going on here, and I'm sure there's some that don't. The reason I flip this gear is to give it a nice new surface for the starter. So instead of replacing it, just flip it and you can get a little bit more life out of it. No more painting clips on this video. I got the flywheel backside painted and ready to go on. Paint is still wet, but Benny won't fret. Hopefully we can get this thing on here. And it's hot. It's burning my hands. It's burning my hands where I had it on the stove. I lied. Look at that. I'm a liar. I lied. I told the lie. Dang. Now clutch and pressure plate. Good quality stuff made in Japan. Oh, well, silly me. There we go. Oh no. Why did it do that? Why would it want to do that? I'd say all three of those will fall out once I tighten it. Let's see. Yeah, look there. See that? I just didn't know. Must hold them in for you. See that? It just holds it while it's not assembled. This was fitting a little tight. Whoop. That's all right. I'm prepared for that. It was tight the whole time. It's not because of where I tightened it up. The bolts. This plastic was tight before. Throwout bearing needs to go onto this here, the new one that is. Spring for our shift fork. Spring for our throwout bearing assembly. I'm going to slip the transmission in first before I put the engine in because I don't want to take apart all of this torsion bar stuff. I don't want to put the engine and transmission in as one piece like I took it out because it'll scratch everything up. So first transmission, then engine, then we'll squeeze them together. Well, here we go. Long time coming. Damage report. We got our fan a little bit. Little spot on the side of the engine. And one little spot in the oil pan. Could have been worse. I'm not happy about it. But I'm not going to let it ruin my day either. This thing is heavy. The engine is not going to stay up in the back once I relieve the engine hoist. So I've got this handy dandy tool here that should hold it up. Gotta do a few adjustments to it. Now we can raise the Datsun up and install the transmission. Holy moly! It ain't that heavy, but this is in the way right here. The engine has to go up a little bit. I think I'll get a step ladder and do that. Watch closely. Whoa! Ah, there it goes. Whew. All the bell housing bolts are tightened up, so now I'm going to put the transmission mount on. We won't be needing this anymore. Ah, it's heavy. Stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. Next week we'll fire this thing up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.